In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable YouTube Short suggestions on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app. And then all we have to do is just scroll down all the way until we find this Shorts section. And now, guys, I'm gonna show you how we can easily get rid of it on our YouTube homepage. So guys, first off we need to tap at the three dots here at the top right corner of any short video and then select Not Interested. And that's what we need to do with each short video one by one, in that way. After that, close YouTube app and then reopen it. As you can see, Shorts section is still here, so we need to continue doing the same steps. Then we need to close it again and open it one more time. And now, as you can see, if we scroll down again and again, it is not showing us any shorts here. That's because we've just temporarily turned them off. Keep in mind that the shorts videos from channels you subscribe to can still be shown somewhere here at your YouTube homepage. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.